Hello and welcome to Watson's Weekly. This is a quick roundup of what I think are the most important and interesting economic and commercial events of the week just gone. On the macroeconomic front, German Chancellor Angela Merkel managed to scrape through the local elections over the weekend, but in the end she bowed to pressure and has stepped down from the leadership of her party. Troubled times for the EU's biggest economy. Brazil got a new president in the form of Jair Bolsonaro, who's going to be facing a lot of tough challenges as he tries to drag his country out of its worst ever recession. He came to power on an anti-corruption ticket, but faces some big jobs reforming the complicated pension system and reducing the country's massive debt, amongst many, many other things. The election of this extreme right-winger is a major change for a country that has been socialist for a very long time. Back home, we also got our last budget before Brexit. There were a lot of giveaways as the Chancellor signalled the end of austerity, but these promises could count for nothing if we don't manage to engineer a proper Brexit deal. There was also a decent amount of IPO action this week, with IBM buying Red Hat for $33 billion, WH Smith making a US acquisition, Sports Direct buying Evans Cycles, and the Restaurant Group buying Wagamama. Tech also saw some interesting news flow as Apple announced decent profits but disappointing handset sales. Samsung announced record profits as well as a downbeat outlook given China is increasing chip capacity. Facebook also said this week that user growth rate was slowing down, and Spotify disappointed the market by saying that it couldn't hire people fast enough to keep up with its ambitions. The company is also about to sit down and negotiate with record companies for royalties. There was mixed news about the UK High Street this week, with Mothercare announcing that it is going to cut almost half the jobs at its headquarters. Next announced some solid figures powered by a strong online performance, and Patisserie Valerie managed to squeeze through a tricky vote to support its survival plan. Apparently, one shareholder said, "Why are you holding a gun to our heads?" To which the company's executive chairman Luke Johnson said this was the only solution we could come up with. I hope you found this roundup interesting. I publish a daily note on watsonsdaily.com, which gives you more detail on what I've just said on a daily basis. If you want to get access to this, as well as my weekly, monthly and annual publications that will help to turbo boost your commercial awareness, don't be shy, please subscribe. A subscription will cost you less than a double espresso per month. So thanks for watching. Watson, out.